Little one can read. Hi, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we will be learning the letter sounds. The letter sounds that helps your child to read as early as 3 years old. And do not forget that your child can start learning the letter sounds as early as 2 years old. Yes, let's get started with the letter sounds. A, B, D, E, G, I, J, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, O, W, X, Y, Z. With these letter sounds, your child will be able to read as early as 3 years old. Yes, your child will be able to read as early as 3 years old once you teach your child these letter sounds. Do not forget, don't teach your child the letter names first. As toddler's teacher, as a parent, do not teach your child the letter names. The first thing to teach your child is phonics, the letter sounds, which is the basics of every reading. Keep watching Little Ones Can Read, where I share with parents tips on how to help their children read as early as 3 years old. See you in the next class. Bye.